So today, guys, we're gonna be inside of Magnum, the 3066 footer. This is gonna be the main living area. You will have your entertainment center standard in this feature with the 2 barn doors. That is gonna be a completely standard feature once again. You do have the option to keep it, or if you don't like it, you can take it off and do whatever you want to it. You're also gonna have your ceiling fan in the master bedroom and the living room. You're all gonna have 2-inch blinds throughout the house standard. That's already gonna be no cost benefit about that. The house already installed for you. You don't have to worry about going to the store and put them on. On this side, you're gonna have your dining room. In this house, I did a couple of changes. Instead of doing the 9-foot island, I did add the 2 chip islands. And also I added a sliding glass door in the dining room. These are gonna be a couple of options you're able to add at your home. I'm going to tell you guys a couple of the standard features. You do get your standard appliances with a 5-year warranty. You get the full backsplash. That is going to be standard. And your stainless steel range hood. That is going to be a standard feature as well. You do get a 42-inch cabinet. You do have the option to choose 2 color tones of cabinets. If you want to stick to 1 color tone, that is completely option to you. This is going to be the back utility room. You do have a couple of cabinets on top. You do have your storm door, accent wall. You do have the option to keep the accent or just keep it a 1 solid color you guys decide to choose. Right here, you're gonna have your whole house water shuttle valve. You know, during the winter times, you guys don't wanna go outside and turn it off. Well, this is gonna be the main key. Turns out the water throughout the house. This is gonna be the guest bathroom. You get 2 sinks. You do have a big mirror. A nice feature they added in this home is gonna be the skylight. That is gonna be a pretty neat, saves you energy. So you definitely have daylight coming in the bathroom all day. And then you have your 1-piece fiberglass shower. This home has 4 bedrooms, the master bedroom and 3 guest bedrooms. This is the first one. Second guest. And on this side, you have the third one. This is gonna be the master bedroom. Super big room. You do have plenty of closets in this room as well. You have the first main closet heading that way. That's going to be 1 main closet. In the bathroom, you're going to have a couple of more closets for storage. We're now in the master bathroom in the master bedroom. This is the way it's going to look whenever you enter. 2 sinks, backsplash, accent wall, your lights. You do have also your tub with 2 windows on the side, and on the other side you're gonna have a vanity. Pretty cool. Heading this way, you do have 2 more closets, 1 on this side, and across the shower you're gonna have another one, and this is gonna be the master shower. Another closet on this side. Look how neat this looks, nice. For any questions, you guys are more than welcome to visit our webpage, which is going to be www.floravista.palmharbor.com. Or you guys are able to call the store, which is 505-334-7413. We're open from Monday to Saturday and open house on every Saturday. Thank you, bye-bye.